Hey guys, I'm back. I know I haven't posted a video in like 7 months, but I've been a little bit emo. Good things did happen though. I got a ripstick. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pink. And I also got a tattoo. I got like my first real like good tattoo. I'm gonna try and show you without like exposing myself. I hope you can see it, but like some witches. My leg is so hairy. When can you shave a tattoo? I can't tell. I don't have a fucking viewfinder, so very difficult. It's like 3 witches on a pentagram, and it's like really hairy right now because I don't know when I can shave it. Like I've been like washing it in the shower and like moisturizing it, but I have no fucking clue when I can shave it because it's like scabbing and peeling, so like whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna do makeup. I thrifted this top, look. I found it at St. Vincent de Paul thrift shop. It's so cute. It's got like a little kitty and some candles and like whatever. Cute books. Witchy. I have a bunch of other shit that I thrifted that I want to show you. If you guys want to see, let me know. I got like a sweater and some other things. Before I start, I found this song. It's like literally from 2018, so it's old. It's not new, but it's so good. Listen, I'll play a little bit. I want to get copywritten. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. Listen to that. I'll link it below because it's like my favorite song right now. If you care to listen to it. Hopefully I don't get copywritten. So yeah, here's my makeup. I broke a nail off, so like I redid it before this, like for you. It's been like 2 days since I've done my makeup. I don't know, I've been going through it, guys. Shit has happened. I'm not gonna talk about it because it makes me feel worse. Concealer. I tried the fucking on TikTok, the L'Oreal Infallible, whatever. It's full coverage, it's good, it's not bad, but it's just like, you can see your pores after a while. It's really not like that long lasting. It's like 24 hours. No, it's not. It's not 24 hours. It's more like 5. I went back to using a beauty blender and I feel like they're disgusting, but whatever. Yeah, if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, you should do that. It's at Trauma Queen 666. Trauma. Like traumatized, not drama. Trauma Queen 666. I post like the raw stuff on there, like me having mental breakdowns and whatever, and then sometimes I delete them, but sometimes I keep them up because it's like motivational for like later on, I guess. Yeah, I used to never put concealer on my chin, but since the COVID and the masks and shit, like, it's just been so bad that like when I go out and I don't have to wear a mask, I'm like, this is bad. Like, I want to cover this up because I never had acne there, and now I just do. Thank you, COVID-19. And put powder on top because like that's just what we do. I've been liking like the whole nose contour, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. I kind of just see at the end of my makeup. The way that I do my eyeliner is even a little bit different too. See, I literally just do like a chunk. Like, it kind of be looking bad now, but I'll fix it. I'm taking this huge ass eyeliner. Like, it's literally massive.
Put that Beretta to my head, I'm tryna empty the clip. I've been facing every wood, but I can't face what I did. I've been drinking every night, I don't care what I sip. The more I think about her touch, the more I drink till I'm sick. And I don't really know what you call that. I keep wishing on the stars for you to call back.
So that's kind of what it looks like. I hope you could see that. I really do.
She knows I'll always love her. She knows I'll always try. But every time she kisses him, I get better at saying goodbye. And I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna
I'm kind of gonna slim this one down because it was just not a good time.
The heart you gave to him. It's in my head, I'm trying to empty the clip. I've been facing every wood, but I can't face what I did. I've been drinking every night, I don't care what I sip. The more I think about her touch, the more I drink till I'm sick. And I don't really know who you call that.
So what I did was I just put a black eyeshadow over top, and I'm gonna blend it out with like this fluffy brush. I'm kind of just gonna like smudge it around. These are the lashes I'm gonna use. You can barely see them, but like lashes.
And I don't really know who you call that.
Now I'm gonna put white in my waterline and also kind of in the inner corner. Taking a liquid white eyeliner, and I'm gonna do the inner corner now. Take the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna go around the lashes.
But I can't face what I did. I've been drinking every night, I don't care what I sip. The more I think about her touch, the more
Fuck.
what you call that? I keep wishing on the stars for you to call back. And I don't really know if you care now. Girl, you fall through your thing, put your head down. She knows I'll always love her. She knows I'll always try. But every time she kisses him, I get better at saying.
So that's kind of what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Sometimes I'll do my eyebrows like black and like thin, but that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try and upload more often. If you like this video and you haven't seen me before, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think, and let me know what other videos you want to see next. So thank you so much and have a great day. Also, please check me out on Etsy. My Etsy shop is Stoned Faerie Shop. I make jewelry like these earrings here. The necklace that I'm wearing I've also made, and that's on my shop as well. So if you like any of those, I also have a variety of earrings and bracelets to choose from. Please check out my Etsy. Thank you so much for your support.